Pepper rest. Finally, I don't tell you, I say, at the end of that tunnel, there is light. Now, when you know try, you don't go walk. Even when they say make you knock, it means say put effort. And I can't tell you, I say, when they say, if you knock, I say when one door don't close, another one will open. If this door close, make you build another door because you must enter. Now all this ginger, where IPOB the ginger, everybody does say, I gonna do that thing. Myself, I did one corner, check out, I say, oh boy, if we ginger, we go get now. If you believe say Buhari, President Buhari don't agree, say he go discuss, he go dialogue, last. Wait, this is not a joke. Other guys gonna joke, give you. Me, I don't come here for joke. You say people they call it say your program, since we don't they speak English. This English why they speak, but make you not be like now make you for no say na real. When are they talking for you, if you say na joke I come. I don't mean business now. So that if I tell you, if you say a lie, I go read that out, go hear that. This thing what they tell you, he come up from Ngige, Dr. Chris Wabes Ngige, Onwa, now from his mouth, now the thing come out. You know, say I'm the Minister of Labour. See, I go read that out, make you hear that. As it did for news. Now yesterday will be Sunday, now this one for take place. When you don't go arrange with State House correspondents, as you go meet Buhari for Abuja finish, because they tell Buhari say, first don't go work this thing, make you find way so that you go dialogue with these people. So that people from the southeast will be Igbo people. They don't go they feel unwanted in the country. Say you're supposed to talk to these people so that you go hear their yearnings, the people yearnings, and then waiting government also want. Let me say waiting government go want go. It must be different from waiting the people want. But last the waiting the people want, that will happen. Because this democracy, now government of the people, for the people, and by the people. So not be waiting government want. So when they talk, said, I go still tell you something. But waiting you talk. You can't say today will be Monday. You are the service chiefs, and you are the Minister of Defense, and you are Minister of Interior. So I will come day together, come iron things out. How when I go work out modalities so that things go work out. You when they listen to me now, I want make you not listen to the news. Make you not be like say this one authentic. Listen, the Minister of Labour, Chris Ngige, has said President Muhammadu Buhari has accepted the adoption of dialogue to address agitations in the southeast. Now listen, he said Ngige revealed this on Sunday while speaking with State House correspondents after meeting with Buhari in Abuja. There have been agitations from parts of the southeast for secession, with the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra well in the forefront of the fight up IPOB. He said, however, Ngige claims the federal government is working out some modalities to ensure that the people of the region do not feel unwanted in Nigeria. We also looked at the security situation, especially in the zone, the southeast, and we made some proposals to him based on the yearnings of the people and what the government also wants in a year round. He said, we are following up with dialogue, which at the end of the day is what will happen. We have to talk, we have to discuss. Part of the discussion starts tomorrow, today will be Monday. He said the Minister of Defense, Minister of Interior, and service chiefs were in Enugu last Saturday, and we are going to do follow-up meetings on that. We briefed him, and he accepted that dialogue is the way to go in all this, Ngige said. So last, the man go hear am. We go talk, and what we need na cessation. This one, I don't waiting person go talk. You tell and say that is treason. Treasonable felony. Oga make una forget that English. Nothing na waiting that they use make una tell who us down here. Make us slaves. And our children go still become slaves. We don't need them again. Anything where the dialogue can make and tell you IPOB, waiting and want, and waiting every Igbo man need. Whether you be IPOB or you don't be IPOB, all of us waiting we want. We want our freedom. Why are we happy with fear? Why Fulani dey fear? Make una dey on our own. Make we dey our own. Person will bring us together. That person, I don't know whether he's still there alive, but Nigeria expired in 2014. Now make Jonathan Goodluck organize confab. Everybody come back together in Abuja. They stay together. Iron things out. After last, you know if you implement them, whether they fear. Because that fear, I remove them from office. You say this man get mind. If I don't come out, and if heaven won't fall, make it fall, make it see. Now fear owner, you know if you implement all the provisions from the outcome. Buhari enter, he say you don't need that. Why Buhari go say you don't need that? He should say they fear. You know say if they implement that, it means say every region go manage what they get. As they do it, you go to manage your resources. 50% go to you as what you get. You go pay 20% to the center will be Abuja. Then the rest 30% you go pay into the treasury. Anytime you need them, you use that. Now they don't want me to use our own resources. Now you go make our man come east, come own oil well. Person will get the oil well, will get the oil for your house, don't get oil well. Now make una say we no go succeed. If to say this oil na for not today, what will happen? Now that see the mine gold for una side, una say only una get am. But do when they our backyard, when I say that for national. When are they look una? When are they look una? But I don't know why they look una. Because I say we not say all of us say we are not mumuish. Not be juju be that. Who are they tell that kind of thing? What do we need for southeast? Whether if you like call them southeast or remove that south, there's nothing like south there. With the east. When Nigeria starts, before the independence, what do we get? The east, west, north, three. Before they come carve out one again, call that Midwest. You come before. When we say Nigeria come together, enact that one. Yes. When we can't get our federalism, when we can't get our when they call it 1963, when we can't get when they call republic, we can't draft our republican constitution. When we say our own autochthonous, our own indigenous one, we don't come up from Eliza and the own this thing from England. We can't use our own. Why we don't want to go visit that one? Eventually, I see one house man. I mean, I feel like the man come and use it. 1979 Constitution, 1999 organ. You don't come remember about 1963 Constitution. Go back to where it starts. You get what they call statute quo. Go back to 1963. Make we go when we practice federalism. Yes, we must go back there. Unitary system of government. Everybody manage your own. Make we manage our own. Now we don't even need all that your district. Make everybody enter house. Go and manage your region. We Igbos, we Biafrans, we are ready to go. We want to go. But if we die, leave us. Make we die. If hunger won't kill us, leave us. Us now they block on our tomatoes, they block on onions, they block on every. Make we block and join. We won't go. If we know if you grow our food, make hunger kill us. If we know if you build road, make we enter bush. Yes. Make we manage to make every time. Say treason. That one now the language that they use hold us down because of oil. Make I tell you, reasonable countries that don't even talk about oil again. We need to move forward. So Chris Webers and Gige, we don't hear what you talk. But if they go there, make a dialogue. Make you get out for the back of your mind. Say, what do we need? We want our own. Person will say, I want to stand on my feet. You don't do anything wrong. Until they hear me, now what thing we want? We will be the Easterners. Remove that south. We don't need that south. There's no time. You know even the constitution says south east, south south, southwest. South. You know the constitution. They all do that and they all put that there. Now for mount, there's nothing like that. Now east, west, north, middle belt. That's how the thing can be. What they call them? That's how it be. We don't know what it be. Southeast, south. So if you go tell them, say we will be the Easterners. Even if the governors won't bring their own, we don't say they go one. All of them they serve now. They serve now. They won't serve with all their strength. So be container for the pledge. They shop, so they still get strength to serve. We never shop. Strength no day. So if you go there, maybe you say one day we never shop. Now, may I just end up there sharp.